In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Etsy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, let's briefly talk about Printify and Etsy. Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom products without worrying about inventory or shipping. On the other hand, Etsy is a popular marketplace that specializes in handmade, vintage, and unique goods. When you connect Printify to your Etsy shop, you can easily automate your order fulfillment process, which means you can focus more on creating and marketing your products. Now, to make this process smooth, you'll need to have both a Printify account and an Etsy shop set up. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video, create your accounts, and then come back. I'll be here waiting for you. Once you're all set up, let's begin with the actual connection process. The first thing you're going to do is log into your Printify account. If you don't have an account yet, simply head over to printify.com and we'll get you signed up. It's pretty straightforward. Just provide the necessary details and then confirm your email. After you're logged into your Printify dashboard, look for the Manage My Stores section on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that and you'll see an option to Add New Store. From this list, you want to select Etsy. Now, Printify is going to ask you to authorize the connection to your Etsy account. This is where you need to give Printify permission to access certain information in your Etsy account. Don't worry, it's a completely secure process, and Printify only needs access to help create and manage your listings. So go ahead and click on the Connect button. You'll be redirected to Etsy, where you need to log into your Etsy account if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, Etsy will provide you with a list of permissions that Printify is requesting. Take a moment to read through these permissions, as this will confirm what Printify will be able to access. After reviewing the permissions and being comfortable with granting them, click on Allow Access. You'll then be redirected back to Printify, where you'll see a confirmation that your Etsy shop is now connected. How easy was that? But we're not done just yet. You'll want to start creating products now. Within Printify, navigate to the Catalog section to browse through the products you can customize. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, there's a wide variety to choose from. When you find a product you like, click on it to start customizing. You can upload your designs, change the colors, and adjust various settings depending on the product. This is your chance to get creative and make your products truly unique. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish and then select the Etsy shop you just connected to. This will allow you to create a new listing directly within your Etsy shop. After clicking Publish, Printify will generate a listing on Etsy for you. This includes the product details, images, and description. Be sure to review this information to ensure everything looks good and reflects your brand. You might want to tweak the title or description to make it more appealing to your audience on Etsy. Once you're done making the adjustments, hit the Publish button on Etsy to make your product live. Congratulations! You successfully connected Printify to your Etsy shop and published your first product. Now remember, as orders come in on Etsy, they'll automatically pass through to Printify for fulfillment, so you can keep your focus on your marketing and customer engagement. And that's all there is to it. Connecting Printify to Etsy opens up a world of opportunities for selling custom products. Please don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!